Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Harley Davidson credit card and Visa. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Harley Davidson credit card or your Visa card, simply open up your preferred browser on your computer first, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar over here type in Harley credit card login like this and hit enter, or simply search for h-dvision.com like this and hit enter, or simply enter h-dvision.com like this and hit enter, and you can see the same website over here, which is the Harley Davidson Visa credit card. Click over here. This is the direct website, whereas this is the website from the Google. You can log into the Harley Davidson credit card from either of the website, whichever you like, either by searching or by directly typing the web address. Now to log into your Harley Davidson Visa credit card, you can see the login and manage your account option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there and you can see the login to your account. Click over there, and after that enter your personal ID number over here and click on continue, and after that you will be required to enter your password or your MPIN and enter your password, and again continue to log into your Harley Davidson Visa credit card account. And this is how you log into your Harley Davidson card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.